In 2025, Rheem will commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations.
We're here at the Rydalmere site today, but the audits will be conducted across all of our sites within the ANZ region. Rydalmere, which are around 920 units a day, Moorabbin in Victoria, around 150 units, Vietnam, which do multiple of water heater units and collectors, and Rheem Thermal, which are our heat pump commercials. We're conducting waste audits across all of our sites. We've made some great improvements across the sites for our diversion, but this will actually tell us if we're on track in reality or what else we can do going forwards to make further improvements. We've seen an improvement across our sites with participation from all of our employees. The more that we've promoted this, the more that we've engaged all of our team members, the better it's been adopted, and the longer it goes on, it becomes more and more of a culture and a habit. People are enthused with what we're doing and the fact that we're moving in the right direction as far as looking after the environment.
We have our employees that are actively involved in our Good Works program, which is really about improving our sustainability and coming up with some great ideas for how we can do little things day by day to improve our site's performance with regards to sustainability.
We have been working in Rheem, Australia, Rydalmere site since 1989. We are passionate about diverting our waste and our environmental programs. We are involved in lots of improvement programs. One of them is oily waste treatment plant. We divert 50 tonnes of waste away from landfill annually.
The culture's building and more people are becoming involved. So I too am passionate about sustainability, and for me it means what's good for my kids and what's good for the future of the planet, making sure that we've got a good culture and we're doing whatever we can to improve sustainability. It's all about the planet.